Wisdom has built her house and made 7 columns for it. She has had an animal killed for a feast, mixed spices in the wine, and set the table. She has sent her servant women to call out from the highest place in town, "Come in, ignorant people." And to the foolish she says, "Come eat my food and drink the wine that I have mixed." Leave the company of ignorant people and live. Follow the way of knowledge. If you correct conceited people, you will only be insulted. If you reprimand evil people, you will only get hurt. Never correct conceited people. They will hate you for it. But if you correct the wise, they will respect you. Anything you say to the wise will make them wiser. Whatever tell the righteous will add to their knowledge. To be wise, you must first have reverence for the Lord. You know the Holy One. You have understanding. Wisdom will add years to your life. You are the one who will profit if you have wisdom. And if you reject it, you are the one who will suffer